Hello! In the previous lesson, we saw how to debug React application as a JavaScript application. But React is not just a JavaScript application. It uses props and it uses state, and it might be easier to see this value using another tool. And such a tool exists. It's called React DevTools. So let's look for it on the internet. This is the React DevTools, and it is actually a Chrome plugin, and I will install it. Add extension. And if I click now on this, need to refresh. And if I click now on this, I can see some message. We will take care of this message in the next lesson. Now let's see how to use this. So again, I need to use F12, and if I click in my case, I can see the React DevTools here. And I can see the DOM representation of my application. And you can see here props and state. And if I click here on the input output, then I can see that the props is function and the state is change this input. And if I click here, hello dev tools, that you can see very nicely that the state is changing, and it's very easy to use it this way. And if I go to here, I can see the props, because user input has state, user output does not have state, but it has props. And I will show you now that if I'm changing here, hello again, then you can see the props very nicely. And so this is props and state. And I can, if I want, I can go here and I can change the theme to something like this or this. You can choose whatever you like. And this is very interesting, because if I'm changing here, you are able to see which components was updated. And you see that when I click here, the app component is update, the input component is update, and the output component is update. And I can also look in the DOM. I can look maybe for, or maybe look for input. And I can see that only this component has input, which is very nice feature. And this is React DevTools. Thank you.